Hello friends, welcome to our another new video of unboxing this new Infinix Hot 50 5G smartphone. This is the new launch and let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. It is a open box delivery from the Flipkart. I have ordered in it and let's unbox. Here you can see Infinix over written over here, Hot 50 5G, 5 year of smoothness, 128 GB, 8 GB storage plus 8 GB extendable. And you can see its processor, its Dimensity 6300 5G, and the other side you will see warranty only in India, and at this side you will see Hot 50 5G branding and wow new hot. And at the back you will see some specification about this smartphone. It has 148 megapixel of back camera with dual LED flash, 128 GB of storage, UFS 2.2 high speed memory with premium and slim design with latest iOS with latest XOS 14 powered by Android 14, and it is a punch hole display with 6.7 inch of display, 120 Hz of refresh rate, 5000 mAh of big battery, supports 18 volt of fast charger, and it's all about AI. It has AI also in Infinix, side mounted fingerprint face lock. Let's unbox this first. Friends, here it is the handset, you will see. Let's keep it aside and check what it is in the box. And here you will find some user manual and guides. Here it is 18 volt of fast charging, you can see. And here it is USB to type C charging lead, and SIM tool tray, and a protective case. It's look like a plastic but it doesn't, it is a rubber, you can see. Its quality is very good, absolutely very good quality it has, you can see. And let's keep it inside and open the smartphone first. It has two variants of color. I have ordered it is in black. It has green also. You can purchase it. I have given the link in my description. So let's just pack this. And here it is. Just open this first. And here it is written the setup. Just click on next. Skip the insert SIM card and just connect the Wi-Fi. Connect it. And friends, talking about its design is very good. You will see here you find Infinix logo 5G. Here it's 3 cameras, and here it is volume rocker button up and down. Here it is power off button, power on, and at the bottom you will see you have to just accept the privacy policy. Just click on next, agree. And friends, at the bottom you will see 3.5 mm of headphone jack, a microphone, a type C charging port, and a speaker. And this side you will see SIM tool, and at the top you will see nothing. Just it takes just a few moments. Click on don't copy, and it is checking the info. Its battery is 5000 mAh of battery. It can lead 1 day. You can play games in it. Just skip the Gmail login and just disable the location. Click on next, accept, next. Choose the browser Google, then click on next. You can choose any of the browser you want, then click on next, okay. You can see unlock method. It has 3: fingerprint, face unlock, and password. Click on skip. You can choose the system navigation over here, buttons and gestures. Click on buttons, click on next, and you can see here it is written welcome XOS 14 version, and it is started. I'm talking about its camera, video quality, and speaker test. First, talk about the refresh rate. Friends, you can see how smooth it is. You can play games all day. Just you have to search here refresh rate over here. Click on it. It is not showing. You have to again type here refresh. Here it is. You will see it has 120 Hz of option, 90 Hz, 60 Hz, and you can auto switch the refresh rate also. Let's move on to the camera. First, I have taken some pictures. I will show you. Friends, you can see it is a selfie. The brightness and the contrast is very good. And here it is back camera. This is 2x zoom and this is 1x zoom. You will see when you just zoom it, it is not blur. When you just zoom it, talking about its resolution, first you have to open your video, then click on resolution. Here it is up to 2K at 30 fps. You can record the video like this, and just press back. You have to open YouTube, and then you have to type here YouTube video. Friends, you can see its quality. It is in the full screen right now. First, just full the brightness. Here you can see its quality. First, let's check the quality. Click on quality and advanced, and it has 1440 pixel at 60 fps. You can watch it. You can see, friend. And let's talk about its speakers. First, you have to click on this search, and here you have to type music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Friends, you can see its speaker quality. Speaker quality is also very good. I have given the link to purchase this smartphone in the description. You can just click on it. If you like this unboxing video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. See you next time.